Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.